Hi, this is Anupama. You are watching Siyasat TV. Today we delve into the fascinating world of actors turned politicians and their performance in the 2024 Lok Sabha and Assembly elections. Over the years, we have seen numerous celebrities from the silver screen transition into the political arena, bringing their charisma and fan following to a new stage. In this special segment, we will explore how these star studded candidates have fared in the recent elections, examining their successes, failures, challenges, and the impact they have had on the political landscape. Stay with us as we unveil the story of fame, politics, and electoral fortunes. Let's begin with the controversy queen Kangana. Kangana Ranaut is a prominent figure in the Indian film industry, known for her versatility and outspoken nature. Rising to fame with her breakout role in Gangster, she has since delivered captivating performances in a range of films, from intense dramas like Queen to historical epics like Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi. Beyond her acting prowess, Ranaut is known for her outspokenness, which has also stirred controversy, sparking debates and occasional conflicts within the industry. Kangana's entry into the political arena has been marked by her vocal opinions on various socio-political issues in India. Kangana has won the election for the Mandi Lok Sabha seat in Himachal Pradesh. Representing the BJP, she secured the victory by defeating Congress candidate Vikramaditya Singh by a margin of 74,755 votes. This victory marks her first foray into politics, supported by high-profile campaigns from Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other BJP leaders. Next is Hema Malini. Hema Malini, often referred to as the dream girl of Indian cinema, is a legendary actress, dancer and politician. With her graceful dancing skills and versatile acting abilities, she has captivated audiences for decades, starring in numerous iconic Bollywood films. Malini's portrayal of strong, independent female characters has earned her widespread admiration and accolades throughout her illustrious career. In addition to her contributions to cinema, she has also made strides in politics, serving as a member of parliament for the BJP. Her enduring legacy and cultural impact have solidified her status as one of the most beloved and respected figures in Indian entertainment. Hema Malini has secured a significant victory in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections from the Mathura constituency. This marks her third consecutive win in this seat, having previously won in 2014 and 2019. She won against Congress candidate Mukesh Dangar by a margin of 2,93,407 votes. Let's move on to Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani is a prominent Indian politician and former actress known for her role as Tulsi Virani in the popular TV series Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Transitioning from the entertainment industry to politics, she has become a key figure in the BJP. Irani has held various ministerial positions in the Indian government, including Minister of Human Resource Development and Minister for Textiles. In 2024 Lok Sabha elections, Smriti Irani has lost her seat in Amethi to Congress candidate Kishori Lal Sharma. This defeat marks a significant shift as Irani had previously won the Amethi seat in 2019, defeating Rahul Gandhi, which was a major upset at the time. She lost to the Congress candidate by 1,67,196 votes. Moving on to Shatrughan Sinha. Shatrughan Sinha, affectionately known as the Shotgun of Bollywood, is an iconic Indian actor and politician whose charisma and talent have left an indelible mark on the Indian entertainment industry. With a career spanning several decades, Sinha has delivered memorable performances in numerous blockbuster films, earning him widespread acclaim and a dedicated fan following. Known for his trademark dialogue delivery and commanding screen presence, he has portrayed a diverse array of characters ranging from intense villains to lovable protagonists with effortless charm. Besides his illustrious acting career, Sinha has also made significant contributions to Indian politics, serving as a member of parliament and holding ministerial positions in the government. Initially a member of the BJP, he served as a union cabinet minister and was elected to the Lok Sabha multiple times. In 2019, he switched allegiance to the Indian National Congress, citing ideological differences with BJP. He won the election by a margin of 20,000 votes. He contested from the Asansol constituency in West Bengal, defeating the BJP candidate Agnimitra Paul. Sinha's victory is notable as it marks a significant achievement for the INC in a constituency that has seen stiff competition. His focus on local issues and his personal charisma played key roles in securing this win. Next up is Raj Babbar. Raj Babbar is a veteran Indian actor who has left an indelible mark on both Bollywood and regional cinema with his memorable performances spanning over 4 decades. Known for his versatility, he has portrayed a wide range of characters, from intense dramatic roles to comedic ones with equal finesse. Babbar rose to prominence in the 1980s with acclaimed films like Aapki Adalat and Insaf Ka Tarazu, establishing himself as a formidable talent in the industry. Beyond his acting career, he ventured into politics, joining the INC and serving as a member of parliament. In the 2024 elections, Babbar contested from the Fatehpur Sikri constituency in Uttar Pradesh. Despite his long-standing political career and efforts to connect with voters on local issues, he was defeated by BJP candidate Rao Inderjeet Singh. He lost by a margin of 25,000 votes. Babbar's loss highlights the ongoing challenges faced by the INC in regaining its foothold in key regions. Babbar's defeat reflects the broader electoral trends and voter sentiment in the constituency. Let's move on to some southern stars who have entered the Andhra Pradesh Assembly polls. First is Pawan Kalyan. Pawan Kalyan, also known as Power Star, is a renowned actor, politician and philanthropist in the Telugu film industry. His charismatic on-screen presence and dynamic performances have earned him a massive fan following. Alongside his successful acting career, Kalyan founded the Janasena Party and has been actively involved in politics, advocating for social change and welfare initiatives. In the 2004 AP Assembly elections, Pawan Kalyan contested from the Pithapuram constituency. His candidacy was part of a broader alliance between Janasena, the BJP and the TDP. Pawan Kalyan won the Pithapuram seat by a significant margin, securing 1,34,394 votes against his main opponent, Vanga Geetha Vishwanath of the YSR Congress Party, who received 64,115 votes. Next up is Balakrishna. Nandamuri Balakrishna, son of the legendary Telugu actor, founder of the TDP and former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, the late NTR, is a prominent figure in the Telugu film industry. He is celebrated for his powerful performances and iconic roles in numerous blockbuster movies. Balakrishna's contribution to Telugu cinema spanned decades, with his portrayal of diverse characters earning him a dedicated fan base. Beyond his cinematic endeavors, he also holds significance in Andhra Pradesh's political landscape, being a member of the TDP and serving as a legislator. His multifaceted career and enduring popularity have solidified his status as a beloved icon in the world of Telugu entertainment. He won the 2024 Hindupur Assembly election by defeating Deepika TN of the YSR Congress Party. He secured 1,07,250 votes, while Deepika TN received 74,653 votes, giving Balakrishna a victory margin of 32,597 votes. Next is R.K. Roja Selvamani. Roja Selvamani, often referred to simply as Roja, is a prominent figure in the Telugu film industry, known for her versatile acting skills and captivating screen presence. She has acted in all 4 major South Indian languages: Telugu, Tamil, Kannada and Malayalam. She ventured into politics in 1998. Despite her successful career in both film and politics, she has faced electoral defeats as well. Notably, she lost the 2009 Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly elections when she contested from the Chandragiri constituency as a candidate of the Praja Rajyam Party, founded by actor-turned-politician Chiranjeevi. She later joined the YSR Congress Party and won the Chandragiri seat in the 2014 and 2019 elections. In the 2024 Andhra Pradesh Assembly elections, R.K. Roja lost her seat in the Nagari constituency. She was defeated by Gali Bhanu Prakash of the TDP who secured 1,07,797 votes, while Roja, representing the YSR Congress, garnered 62,793 votes. That's it for now. Thank you for joining us in exploring this blend of entertainment and politics. Stay tuned to Siyasat TV for more updates and stories.